Hello everyone, this is Kedar Joshi from Aryan Automation. Welcome to Aryan Automation video tutorials. Today we are going to see how to operate an virtual access using PLC open command and its simulation. For access creation and its operation via control panel, you can check my previous video and the above link. So I have already created a project. So opening the project, I have selected 1511-1 PM CPU. I have already created one axis, positioning axis, and now we'll create one block function call in which we'll add the logic using PLC open blocks. Function block FC axis operation. We'll create one data block DB axis operation. We'll add the variables which are going to need: enable, stop, start, drop, clock speed, home. Job speed we are going to take as integer. We compile this data block and we'll see if any variables are needed while we are doing the programming. So first we'll enable the access. So let's go into instruction tab where we'll go to technology instructions, motion control, MC power. You can just drag and drop MC power. We can rename the block if needed. MC power 1. So here you can see all the inputs which are needed and the outputs. So in the axis we are going to connect the axis. You can just click on it and drag and drop. For enable we'll use the DB variable enable. That is done. How will you add the block to reset the axis? MC reset. So we'll add one variable. And compile the block. MC job. So we can use forward backward as well. The jog velocity, acceleration, deceleration, jerk -1, -1, -1, which indicate default values are taken in the axis configuration, which are the axis, and C halt is to stop the axis. So we have created a basic logic to enable, reset, jog and stop the axis. So we'll start the simulation to test this logic. Okay, simulation has started. You can check by accessible devices if you can access the node of simulation. PLC sync. So node is accessible. Now what we can do is directly compile the whole project. As compilation there, we just need to check in the properties, protection. Yes, it supports simulation during block compilation. This should be ticked if you want to compile all the function blocks which we have created. And before downloading, we'll call the FC axis operation in the main OB so that it will be under execution. Save, compile and download. Start the PLC and go online. There are errors, you can check. Put the CPU in run mode. You can go into the diagnostic buffer to check the error. The buffer overflow event. So we can continue with the testing, not an issue. So first we will reset the axis. and go into the axis diagnostic where we can see the status of the axis. So we'll now enable the axis. You see the axis is enabled. We'll enter the jog speed 100 and we'll set it true. So the axis will start moving in forward direction. You can see jog status, it is high. You can see the motion status. You can see the jog velocity set point, actual velocity, actual position. And we can modify it to 0. The axis has stopped moving. And simulation. So this was a basic tutorial on how to enable, reset and jog the axis using PLC open commands. Hope you found this interesting. In the next video we'll cover how to do homing, how to do positioning and how to do move velocity commands for this axis. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and for more details please contact Aryan Automation with the following contact details. Thank you.